Hey, I wanted to share with you a little bit of what I do with a lot of my celebrity clients to help them kind of fast track their health and really age-proof and disease-proof their body, and that is using something called intermittent fasting. If you can learn to eat in an 8-hour time-restricted window, you're gonna see some incredible results. So here's how it works, guys. We use healthy fats in the morning to suppress appetite. Check this out. I use heavy cream. This is a healthy fat, which will satiate your hunger and it won't raise insulin, which is the key to fasting. 2 pots of butter. I put my heavy cream in here. Boom. And there it is, guys. So my coffee comes in. The heat of the coffee is gonna melt the butter. Take a look at it. And it's so rich and delicious. Now, a lot of my clients that do intermittent fasting want to curb appetite so they can eat well, but obviously not overeat. The key to it, in my opinion, is avocados, and not just traditional avocados, but avocado oil. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this magical fluid here, we can make it a delicious salad dressing in seconds that will curb appetite. It's anti-inflammatory, and it tastes darn good. You're gonna love it. You can buy pre-made avocado oil. You have to make it yourself. And a little balsamic and a little Himalayan salt, and you're gonna have the best dressing. I like to use all of it, guys, because the more you use it, the less hungry you'll be.